Benehal 8225 is folding N95 style particulate respirator. Each Benehal product has identify code can be verified online, so prove it's genuine. CDC NIOSH approval, it is reliable to wear to get protection from virus. Benehal has 10 modern assembly lines to make better stitching and quality control. Reliable electrostatic filter, better process flow. Also, there are advanced testing laboratory and testing equipments with American and European standards. So Benehal can make masks better. It comes in separate packages, it's always new each time, fetch one. Can see clean brand and text, layers are a bit thicker. The face of the mask looks with fine stitching process. The edges are neat with 3D cutting, the seam of the edges is consistent. Sturdy metal strip on the bridge of the nose is hidden to protect skin. And foam and inner on the back are soft and comfortable to touch. Specially designed blue adjustable buckles are useful to make headbands suitable. The headbands of the mask are easy to adjust, wide and firm, can be pulled very long. Cut the mask, we can see 4 layers. The face layer can protect from dust and water drops. The structure layer keep the structure from deformation. The filter layer is the most important layer, melt-blown fabric filters micro 0.3 particulate matter. Can see the handwriting on it is darker because it traps carbon particles. The skin-friendly inner touch your skin, prevent from water vapor. Using the high-temperature gun, can see hot melt reaction on melt-blown fabric. It helps getting good coverage and filtration effects. Easy carry and easy wearing, also economic choice for good protection. Benehal committed to providing standardized and quality N95 masks. N95 in stock has a good licensing relationship with Benehal. Choose the best products for you. Guarantee they are genuine with primary source and fresh date. And also can do large quantities wholesale, OEM logo printing and personalized service.